Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk to you about a flower that embodies the essence of calmness and serenity. Lavender, with its delicate purple petals and intoxicating fragrance, has been a source of inspiration for artists, poets, and healers for centuries. Not only is lavender a feast for the eyes and nose, but it also has numerous benefits for our well-being. Its soothing scent has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, promote relaxation, and even improve sleep quality. In addition to its calming effects, lavender has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a popular ingredient in skincare products and herbal remedies, but lavender's significance goes beyond its practical uses. It's also a symbol of love, devotion, and remembrance. In the language of flowers, lavender represents constancy, loyalty, and fidelity. In conclusion, lavender is more than just a beautiful flower, it's a reminder of the importance of slowing down, appreciating the simple things in life, and cultivating peace and serenity in our hearts and minds. Thank you.